Today we are going to learn how to install SSL certificate manually. So for our website we can install SSL secure website certificate for any website using cPanel. Okay, let's go. Let's see, this is a cPanel. So go to security or SSL TLS status, SSL TLS status. Here click your website. So I'm going to install this website made-on-screen.tk. So I'm going to also add www.made-on-screen.tk. Okay, select both websites and run auto SSL. So now it's in progress, so no problem, it will run on background. So go to cPanel and go to SSL TLS with SSL TLS under section security. So here CSR, we have to generate CSR. So click here, store dot my website name. So this is my website name where I'm going to install the certificate. Okay, now city, so Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So this is a company. It could be the same website address. So click generate. So now go to SSL certificate signing in request. So here do the same function. So here generate. So now go to SSL manager and install. So you have to install certificate. So manage SSL certificate. So here is made-on-screen.tk certificate. So use certificate for new site. So select the domain. So this is a selected domain. So now install certificate. So SSL was successfully installed for this website. So that's it. Now the website will run by SSL certificate secured portal. So I didn't install the website. So this is my website which is running on secured portal. So secure validity, let's encrypt. This is a free SSL certificate. So this is it. Thanks for watching.